We got ourselves a little package here, so let's open it up and see what's inside. And here we go. KL203 amp from Italy. Obviously made in Italy. Open it up. Let's take a look. Obviously we've got some instructions here. Maybe read through those here in a little bit. It's got the specs on the back. Not super detailed, but you kind of get the idea. Let's look at the amp itself. Pretty simple setup. Really nice heat sinks on this. Real solid construction. You can see the input and the output on the back. That's about all you need. And of course, the power cables. Very cool. 2 switches, on and off, and then your AM and your single sideband switch. And that's about all there is to it. This is a input power of 0.5 to 10 watts with an output power of about 100 watts, give or take. And anything else, well, you're going to kind of have to figure that out yourself. If you're going to go through the trouble of hooking up any type of amp like this or any other type of radio equipment, have the decency to use decent cable. This here is a static cable, and it will help prevent loss. It's only 3 feet long, no big deal. I'm going to be drilling through the firewall here on the Jeep to install this amp. And if you want to see how I did that, well, go ahead and click that little card up above, take you to another video where I kind of detail exactly what I did for that process. So here's my basic mounting location. I took and mounted it underneath the steering column. I used 30-pound tape, a couple strips of that, and then just tapped some screws in there. I'll paint those black, don't worry. And you can see how I ran the cables right through the flap there that was pre-existing. This makes everything fairly clean. Looks good, keeps it out of my way, keeps it out of eyesight from outside of the vehicle. I like this setup. Here you can see from the driver's side, I've got the door open. It's the only reason you can see it. And from the passenger side, there you go. Fairly clean. You can see how much clearance I've got on my knees from this side, so I don't have to worry about scraping them up, trying to get in and out of the vehicle, or knocking the amp off its mount. And from the outside looking in, again, plenty of clearance on the knees there as well. Pretty cool. So sure, it is mounted upside down, but it's only got 2 switches on it. Pretty easy to remember what they do. So if you can't figure that out by feel, I guess you'll have to figure out a different solution. But that's it. Hey, thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.